Hello, in this video I'll show you how checklists work for manual quiz review and how administrator can use them to conveniently evaluate learner work and provide structured feedback. Checklists are a tool designed for administrators to manually review test results. They allow you to define clear evaluation criteria in advance and assess learners' answers in a transparent and consistent way. Please note that checklists are available only for quizzes with manual approval enabled. They are especially useful when learners submit open-ended answers or upload files that require detailed evaluation. Let's start by creating a checklist. To do this, you need to create a separate quiz that will be used as a checklist in the future. It's recommended to create a dedicated course for such checklists and name the quiz, for example, Review Checklists, so it's easy to find later. In a checklist quiz, you can use the following question types. Yes, no, for quick evaluation of individual criteria. One choice to select the most accurate statement. Multiple choice if a criterion consists of several elements, and written answer or open-ended answer to provide detailed written feedback. Let's create a checklist and let's start with a yes or no question. And enter the evaluation criterion directly in the question text. Once the checklist is complete, save the changes and the checklist is now ready to use. Now let's see how to enable a checklist to a quiz. Go to your quiz settings, click the three dots next to the quiz name, and enable the Add Checklist function. In the pop-up window, choose the Academy and the checklist you created earlier. Then save the settings. After that, the connected checklist information will appear in the quiz settings. Once again, keep in mind that checklists work only with quizzes that have manual approval enabled. Now let's take a look at how reviewing a quiz with a checklist works. After a learner completes the quiz, the administrator opens the review section, Home Task Center, and sees the checklist with all evaluation criteria. During the review process, the administrator can mark each criterion and add comments. The learner's final score is calculated based on the checklist results. At the bottom of the checklist, you can see how each criterion affects the overall score. If needed, the administrator can attach the checklist to the feedback comment. This way, the learner receives clear, structured, and easy to understand feedback. After confirming the review, the final result and feedback are automatically sent to the learner. Checklists make the review process more convenient, objective, and transparent. They help simplify manual grading and improve the overall learning experience for both administrators and learners. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.